We're exploring the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and what's got everyone talking: battery capacity and charging speed. Let's get into the details. According to Tipsterice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a 5000 mAh battery with up to 45W fast charging. But here's the thing, this is the fifth year in a row that Samsung hasn't upgraded its battery capacity or charging speed in the Ultra lineup. What's going on, Samsung? Meanwhile, Chinese brands are pushing the limits with flagship models featuring 5200 mAh or even 5500 mAh batteries. And rumor has it that next year, we might see 6000 mAh batteries in high-end phones. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra is already expected to support a massive 6000 mAh battery. Is Samsung falling behind? But don't lose hope, Samsung fans. Despite the unchanged battery specs, the Galaxy S25 Ultra has some tricks up its sleeve. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, built on TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process node, promises significant power efficiency. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to boast improved power efficiency thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. This could not only extend battery life but also supercharge the phone's overall performance. With Android 15-based One UI 7.1, we can expect even more software optimizations for better battery management and device efficiency. Section 2: Design and Display. But that's not all. The S25 Ultra is also rumored to feature a refreshed design with a new curved back. This could make it more comfortable to hold and visually stunning. Is Samsung trying to outdo its competitors with this design tweak? Section 3: Camera Capabilities. When it comes to camera capabilities, the S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a photography powerhouse. With a 200-megapixel primary rear camera and 350-megapixel auxiliary cameras, this phone is poised to deliver exceptional image quality and versatility. With a 200-megapixel primary rear camera and 350-megapixel auxiliary cameras, the S25 Ultra promises versatile and high-quality photography and videography options. Whether you're a casual user or a photography enthusiast, this phone has got you covered. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will reportedly launch with Android 15-based One UI 7.1, bringing a host of new features, enhancements, and a more polished user experience. Plus, Samsung's commitment to long-term software support means you'll get up to 7 years of Android OS and security updates. While some might be disappointed by the lack of battery and charging upgrades, the S25 Ultra still has a lot going for it. Improved design, camera technology, and processor efficiency make it a compelling option in the flagship market. So, what are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Are you excited about the camera upgrades or disappointed by the battery specs? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more tech news and reviews. See you in the next video.